Sagittarius, good morning to you. My name is Corina, and I am going to read for you. Now, this reading, I have to say that is timeless, and it's not for this week, this month, and so off. Okay, it's for when you discover this reading and listen to it. It might give you some sort of guidance if you like. Okay, so I have pulled the cards already for you. Sagittarius, the first card I have pulled was Power. Okay, is Power. So if you can see in this picture, you see mountains, thunder and lightning. So mountains usually represents power. Thunder and lightness represents enlightenment about something. So mountains and thunder and lightning represents power, vitality, strength. I feel you are warned here, and not in a bad way, but that you might have an enlightenment about something. You are trying to be awakened of something that maybe you don't see or didn't see before. You have the power to go through everything, Sagittarius. You know very well you are unstoppable when it comes to things that you want to do, right? So you know this power is within you. It's just for you to choose to embrace that power and use it in your favor. Now, this card was followed by Wonders. Again, I don't know why for me. This looks like a rocket, right? That is trying to go through everything and became victorious and reach the level of satisfying moment, where you're going to enjoy to the fullest. So I see you going through everything, and as I said, you don't look like somebody can stop you from reaching your goals here. Wonders also telling me that there are so many opportunities that they are around the corner. But again, you need to see them. This card is a meaning of you reaching, that stage of life that you've been dreaming of, with your perseverance and unstoppability that are characterizing you. Because to the bottom of the deck, what you have following this card is fulfillment. You feel, or you have been kind of guided, that you've got just a bit of a journey until you reach fulfillment. You are on the right track. You are on the right way. You are letting yourself guided by the ancestors, and they are looking for you from behind the scenes. They are having a plan. They are working hard for you to feel that this fulfillment that is so at hand. Okay, no matter what is occurring in your life, you are guided to kind of put your attention on what is splendid, pleasurable, and luscious, if you want, okay? Because you can love fully, deeply, without hesitation, Sagittarius. So cherish your friendships. Fill your life with people, experiences that are fulfilling your life. And why not let go of people and things that don't feel empowering and drag your energy down? You no longer need to put the needs of others ahead of you, Sagittarius. Now it's time for you. If you have had any health issues, Sagittarius, a ripe peach represents a return to better health. So you can savor your life with grace, if you want me to say that, if I can say that. Just allow yourself to experience and embrace life in all, with all, in its own whole, okay? If you want to conceive a baby or a new project or start a new relationship, this card is an excellent omen for a great outcome. This card is a symbol of happy marriage and beautiful relationship based on love, respect, and trust. And then I see you flowing, calm, being calm, at peace with your decisions that you were able to make after storms and difficulties that you have, that came across to your life, and you have passed them brilliantly well, thanks to your power, strength, and vitality. Now it's time for you to succeed and reach that level of fulfillment. However, when I have pulled the tarot cards for you, Sagittarius, the first one was Four of Cups. Then the second was the Moon. And then the third was the Death. Now you might be dealing with Cancer, Scorpio. Also, at the bottom of the deck we have Three of Wands, and this is an Aries energy, followed by your energy, which is King of Wands, and it's requiring you to take some actions. However, because we started with Four of Cups, Sagittarius, what is happening? There are so many opportunities in front of you. Are you meditating, contemplating, reevaluating something? Although new opportunities are flowing to you, for now you are just saying no. Maybe you have too much on your plate. It also seems that you have turned your attention internally, Sagittarius, to realign to this new phase, maybe in your life that is just about to arrive. It feels like you are creating the space. You put a barrier towards the offers, and you are creating this space within yourself so that you are ready for those opportunities. Is this what it is? Because all these opportunities want to enter your life. But having said that, sometimes this card means not now, but maybe later. Currently, I see you feeling dissatisfied with something, or maybe you have been hurt or rejecting before, and you don't have the trust. And doesn't matter what comes to your life, you're just rejecting it because you don't trust these opportunities that they belong to you, or it feels that you want to protect yourself and you are closing off from the external world if you want. But just bear in mind, Sagittarius, that if you close, if you choose this energy to be in, you may miss these opportunities that are trying to come into your life. So maybe you can reconsider, and maybe by allowing yourself to reconsider, you may want to open up again so you don't miss on this. Now, moon represents illusions, fear, anxiety. Is this something that you are fearing of, Sagittarius? When this card appears, Sagittarius, it shows that you are projecting your fears into your present and into your future. But this is based on your past experiences. So these emotions are making a reappearance, kind of, into your life. The moon represents a time of uncertainty as well. The moon usually appears into the reading because you may later realize you have half of information you need. So it's required for you to rely on your intuition instead, okay? So you can see beyond what is in front of you. Because currently you don't want to see, you shut down. So you are advised to rely at least on your intuition. So you can start seeing what's in front of you, and allow your intuition to guide you, because Sagittarius, you have a very strong intuition and you know that. By doing that, you are going to allow to this old cycle to be completed. So it's in your power to put an end to this cycle of fears, uncertainty, bad and sad experiences, hurtful experiences that you've been through, and doubt. So you can actually allow yourself to transform and have, the old thinking behind, like leave the new thinking behind and start new and fresh. Because with the Three of Wands, it's required for you to progress. Expand and accept these opportunities that are in front of you and are coming with power towards you. Then take some actions, because this is the way things are going to flow. And unexpected chances will come into your life. They are expected by the universe, but they are definitely not expected by you. Because you've been in this energy of rejecting everything, there is impossible for you to see them. But with this card, Sagittarius, being in your reading, you are becoming more aware of all these opportunities. It's like, you know, the gut is trying to tell you about these opportunities, but you're still not believing them. So I see this energy being removed from your life, so you can start see things for what they are and accept them. And then once you have that at hand, you will be able to take some actions, because this is your card, your energy. You are a fire sign, Sagittarius. You are full of action, passion, trust, intuition is there, everything is there. You can do everything. You can create your own reality. You can create your own life with both hands, not needing anyone. That's how powerful you are. Now in the near future, the Tower will be here, created possibly by you. You are maybe going to accept this transformation and transform completely. This will involve some sort of decision. Financial juggling, maybe. Why not? You're being wounded, but these experiences are helping you to move directions. Accept these opportunities will come into your life. Accept them. Communication. Lots of chances that are all guided for you to reach this level of 10 of Pentacles. Yes. You might need to still continue to put effort in it, but you are driven, passionate to get there. And once you get there, Sagittarius, you are gonna heal. That is gonna heal all the hardships that you've been through. You will feel strong, empowered. You will be in a very committed relationship, happy marriage. And you will get to that point of 10 of 1, 4 of Wands. So stop fearing, because everything is made and is happening for you in divine timing. And all this, it's leading you to stability. Wow. Empowering reading, Sagittarius. And this is what I have for you. I hope this reading has given you the guidance that you need in order to get there. And that means to get where you want to be, because you deserve it, Sagittarius. Love and light. If you liked my reading, don't forget to press like. And if you want to subscribe to my channel and listen to more of this, be my guest. It's a pleasure to have you in my community. Love and light. Until next time.